Hello. Now, let's discuss how do we find the distance between 2 points. So, to find the distance between 2 points, we have to use the distance formula. Okay? We will be using distance formula. So, suppose you have given a point A with the coordinates say x1, y1 and a point B with the coordinates x2, y2. You want to know that how far is the point A from point B. Okay, so this is what we call as distance. So to use this, to find this value, we use the distance formula. Let's denote the distance by d. Then this d is given by the root of x2, the x coordinate, the difference of the x coordinates of both the points, that is x square minus x2 minus x1 its whole square, plus y2 minus y1 and its whole power 2. Okay, to understand this, if we draw the diagram, how you can understand, we are not doing anything special, but we are using the Pythagoras theorem. So, if this is your point A, this is your point B. Okay, then this distance, if you see the horizontal distance will be x2 minus x1, and the vertical distance will be y2 minus y1. Then this diagonal D will be given by using the Pythagoras theorem. So this is what the distance formula is. Okay. Now let's solve some questions. So if you have to find the distance between 2 points, so it's written that calculate the distance between points minus 4, 3 and minus 9, 6. So let us denote this as point A, this is point B. So point A is minus 4, comma 3. Point B is minus 9, 6. Write the distance formula. The distance formula says that D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 power 2 and y2 minus y1 power 2. Now, let this be your point x1, y1 and x2, y2. Just substitute the values. What you will get? This is equal root of x2 is minus 9 minus x1. x1 is minus 4. So be careful with the signs, okay? Because this minus minus will become plus. So it is important to write the steps because you may do mistake when you are trying to do it directly. Okay. So it is 6 minus 3 power 2. So this gives you minus 9 plus 4, its whole power 2. And 6 minus 3 is 3 power 2. How much is minus 9 plus 4? Since the signs are opposite, you subtract 4 from 9, which gives you 5, keeping the sign of the bigger number, which is negative, and 3 square is 9. This gives you 25 plus 9. So this gives you how much? 34. So this is the distance between 2 points. Okay. Let's take another example. Suppose they ask you to find the distance between points 1, 0 and 0, 1. No problem, follow the same way. So point A, which is 1, 0, point B, which is 0, 1. Okay, so this is your x1, y1. Note that one point is x1, y1, another point x2, y2. Don't write here x1, x2, otherwise you will do the wrong thing. Okay, so by the distance formula, we have x2 minus x1 power 2 plus y2 minus y1 power 2, which gives you x2 is 0, 0 minus 1 power 2 and 1 minus 0 power 2. So which is nothing but 1 square plus 1 square, root 2. So yes, this is the distance between 2 points. Okay, so in this way, you can use this distance formula to find the distance between any 2 points. So important is to memorize this rule. Okay.